God damn, that track clock though. Hey guys, I just got out of work. Oh, and today is my Friday. I'll be off for the next 3 days. And I'm gonna repair my Jetson bolt today. So about 2 weeks ago, I was riding that thing. Winded up getting a flat tire. It has a hole there. So it's been parked ever since. I ordered a tire about 4 days ago and it got here like 2 days ago. So we're gonna swap the tire out, attempt to at least. The tire that I ordered is not for the Jetson, but it's the same size, 12.5 by 2 point something. But we're gonna go ahead and give that a shot, and let's hope the tire fits, and let's hope I could change it myself. Right now I'm at In-N-Out Burger in the DA9. Go ahead and enjoy a delicious 4x4, and let's head home right after this. About to order. Good, man, thanks. Can I get a double burger, no cheese?
No cheese, have some onion on it.
Yeah.
Onion's good. Any fries, any drinks?
Can I get a fry and a Coke?
Fry and a Coke. Anything else, man?
And can I get a 4x4?
Onion?
Yes, please.
Cheese is good?
Yes.
Fries and a drink or no?
Yeah. Coke.
Drink?
Coke?
Yes, sir. Eating in the car?
In-N-Out Burger. So we out here, guys, about to grub. Haven't ate all day. I just got out of a 10-hour shift. 4 to 2:30. And I'm pretty hungry, guys. Alright, guys, so we are home. Don't mind the straw wrapper in this burger, but this is what a 4x4 looks like. Drop a like if this looks good. Let's go ahead and fuck it up. Alright, folks, let's go ahead and show you guys a flat tire. So you can see here, it looks good there, looks good there, looks good there, and then it just literally has a hole there. So I guess maybe a piece of glass got in it and popped it, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix that today. Alright, so here's the one I bought. It's actually for a razor. As you can see there, inner tube and tire. It is a 12.5 by 2 1/4. Alright, guys, so we pretty much have it on a table flipped over upside down. Gotta take these nuts off.
These nuts? Got him!
And slide the wheel back and hope it comes apart. Well, here's a comparison of the new tire. Hopefully it fits. It looks a lot fatter. So we'll see right now. We need to take this off. What I like to do is I like to just put the nut or bolt back in where I took it out of, so I can know. Alright, folks, so I was trying to take these nuts off right here.
These nuts? Got him!
These bolts right here. And they were just not coming out, so I figured I could take the brake caliper off from the bottom bolts here. So that's what we're doing now. course, everything fell apart. So we got the wheel free for the most part. Damn, this thing is heavy. Now I'm gonna tip it on its side. Completely sideways. Wheel is off. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to pull this right off like I used to with my bikes. Oh, tube. Uh-oh. So first things I notice is this tube has like a twisted turned knob here, a turned valve stem, and the new one has a straight valve stem. So let's see if that's an issue. Right off the bat, it looks way better material, way better quality than the original tire. There we go. Looks like it's gonna fit. Alright guys, so I got it all put on together. It honestly was a little more difficult than I thought. And trying to see, I haven't put air in the tire, but I want to see if it's shoot out. Doesn't look too bad, honestly. We're gonna go ahead and try to put air, and then we will go from there. So we got the tire on there. I was able to put air. It was not as easy as I thought it was gonna be, because I ordered the wrong inner tube. I ordered the one with the straight valve stem, and I needed the one with the 45 degree or the 90 degree one. But we're back on the road at least. Now I know for next time which one to order. If I get another flat, I'll probably add some GoPro footage to this video. I'll probably record myself later on or tomorrow. But I'm just happy that it's back on the road, guys. This thing was literally just parked at the house for a few days, for actually like 2 weeks. And I ordered this. This is the only combo inner tube and tire setup that I was able to find on eBay. So I ordered it and it's here. Sometimes instead of driving my car to places, I just take the scooter. It saves me a lot of time, it saves me gas, everything. I'll probably do the GoPro session in another video. So this video is just gonna end here. I hope you guys can hear me. Go ahead, drop a like, drop a comment, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you.